So for the past 2 years, I've been wanting to start a YouTube channel, and I've wanted to create and post videos consistently. Now that I have some free time this summer, apart from my internship, I plan to be posting at least one video a week about financial literacy and investing in the stock market. So the videos that I'm going to be posting fall into one of two main categories. The first is financial literacy. So this could be how to make a budget. This could be how to use Roth and traditional IRAs, or this could be even how to help build your credit score and use loans safely and effectively. The other type of video that I'm going to be making on this channel has to do with technical analysis. So this deals with the actual investing in the stock market part of this channel. Technical analysis is using indicators such as moving averages, stochastics, MACDs, and using those to determine proper entry points in stocks. I'll also be explaining how I personally backtest strategies because I think that's really important that when you develop your own strategy and indicators to use, that you look back in the past and see if it actually works. I'll also be doing a series of videos where I look at individual investors such as Mark Minervini, Darvis, Jesse Livermore, and analyze what made them stand out from the crowd and what made them successful in the stock market. Through analyzing these great stock market wizards, we can take and learn from their experiences, their mistakes, and apply it to our own trading. I'll also, as a part of the technical analysis side of things, be presenting different setups that have been proven to provide low risk entry points. This could be cup and handle patterns, this could be double bottoms, and I'll show you in TC2000 how I use these patterns to find good entry points in strong growth stocks. And finally, I'll be taking a handful of stocks each week and analyzing them step by step from the fundamentals all the way to the technicals, and I'll be presenting why I believe they are good investments at the time. My next video is going to be an introduction to TC2000, where I take you guys from downloading the software all the way to setting up the trading interface that I currently use. This will provide a kind of common ground to learn from in my future tutorials, and will also give you a step up in determining what indicators to use and also how to use them. Thank you so much for watching, and see you all in future videos.